Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram if you cannot message. If you're encountering the you can't message this account issue on Instagram, it typically indicates that there are restrictions or limitations on the account you're trying to message. Here's how you can troubleshoot and potentially resolve this problem. You have to check the privacy settings. Go to Instagram and you have to go to these settings. In order to go to these settings, you have to tap on the bottom right corner of your profile, and on the top right corner three-line icon, tap on that and go to the settings and privacy, and you have to go to the how others can interact. You tap on the messages and story replies and go to the message controls, and here you could see your followers on Instagram have to request, or you can simply change it to do not receive requests like this. Message request, you have to set back to the message request and go back, and you have to ensure that you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Sometimes the issues like this can be resolved with an app update. So in order to do that, you have to go to your Play Store and type down Instagram, and you have to update your Instagram app. Available updates shows in your screen. And also, if you have access to multiple Instagram accounts, you have to try sending a message from different account to see the issue persist, and this can help determine if the problem is specific to your account, if it's affecting all users. And if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can reach out to the Instagram support. Go back and go to Google and type down Instagram support and tap on the first option and tap on the check your account status on Instagram, and you have to tap on the request a review, which is right above here. You have to go to the help center right over here, tap on that, and if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can reach out to Instagram support team for further assistance, and they may be able to provide additional insights or address any underlying issues with your account. And it's important to respect the privacy settings and boundaries set by other users on Instagram. And if you're unable to message a particular account, consider reaching out through other channels if necessary. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.